Hello CyberG, my name is UBG. Welcome to ClickMind. Do you find yourself consumed by intense worry of losing your loved ones? Do you often catch yourself messaging your partner just to see if they're still into you? We all worry sometimes about losing someone close to us or being dumped by our partner. But for people with fear of abandonment, this concern becomes a nightmare. They never stop feeling afraid that they may be left behind, ghosted, or rejected, not only by a partner and family member, but also by friends or even acquaintances. The fear of abandonment is a complex phenomenon that can come from an anxious attachment style, childhood trauma. Additionally, it's a hallmark feature of borderline personality disorder. While it's not officially recognized as a distinct mental health condition, fear of abandonment is widely recognized as one of the most common and detrimental forms of anxiety. Some people may not even be aware of their own behaviors that signify the fear of abandonment. So, here are 6 signs of you may have fear of abandonment. But before we jump into that, if you're new to this channel and you're interested to promoting the awareness about mental health, please consider subscribing to our channel and being part of us. Now let's get into the topic. Reacting strongly to rejection. Facing rejection is a common and deeply distressing aspect of human experience. But for people with fear of abandonment, the sting of rejection hits way harder. They may become enraged in response to a late text reply, or if a partner wants to talk, they're convinced it's about a breakup talk. The fear of being abandoned is so intense in their thoughts. As the result, they may like wearing rejection goggles as a protective mechanism to addressing potential threats of abandonment early on. As the result, when confronted with situations that trigger feelings of potential abandonment, they may react with very strong emotions or choose to live preemptively to avoid experiencing rejection. This fear can make them super anxious, cause them to pull back, or even make them all defensive in their relationships and when hanging out with others. Overly clingy behavior. A recent study has shown that clinginess can be a major turnoff in relationships. Basically, being clingy means you're super dependent on someone for emotional support and a sense of security. Clingy people constantly need to check in, receive updates, and expect their partner or friends to be on call for every little things. But despite the negative connotations of clinginess, it actually stems from a place of insecurity, wanting to love and be loved, and a fear of being abandoned. The thought that they might be left alone or forgotten can drive them to seek reassurance from others to ease their anxiety. It can manifest as excessive closeness as a way of self-protection. Struggle with trust issues. You've probably heard the old proverb that says that trust is like paper. Once it's crumpled, it cannot be perfect again. When we talk about trust issues, it usually refers to suspicion and doubt that arise due to the past experiences of betrayal and abandonment. For people with fear of abandonment, these trust issues is a coping mechanism of protecting themselves from potential emotional harm. By being skeptical or hesitant to trust others, they believe they can avoid the pain of being let down or abandoned yet again. Quick to bond, quick to break. Have you ever met someone who bombards you with love, but once it's over, they easily jump into a new romance and leave you wondering if their love was ever real? It could happen due to various factors, including unresolved emotional issues, fear of commitment, a pattern of seeking validation through relationship, or fear of abandonment. People with fear of abandonment can show love with a face super fast, but then they vanish into thin air like a magic trick. This behavior is often driven by deep-rooted fears of being alone and abandoned, leading them to quickly latch on to new relationships in search of validation and security. When things become challenging, their fear resurfaces, causing them to abruptly end relationship and seek comfort elsewhere. Working too hard to please others. Are you eager to make a favorable impression on everyone you meet? Whether they are your partner, family members, friends, or even acquaintances. You're always trying to meet their expectations and keep them happy. Your commitment to meeting their expectations just to stay on their good side. You're the one who puts extra effort in your relationship, and you're willing to put their needs before yours, just to make sure they stick around, even if it means sacrificing your own well-being and desire. You're determined to keep them happy. It's like a candle burning its own body. You're always trying so hard to please others, even at the expense of your own happiness and authenticity. It could indicate some unresolved abandonment issues hiding just beneath the surface. The fear of being left or abandoned can drive you to go to great lengths to secure their approval and affection. You're attached to unhealthy relationships. Do you notice yourself drawn to the wrong people? Have you ever stayed with someone despite knowing they're bad for you? The scars from childhood abandonment, particularly at a young age, can linger for years. As humans, we tend to seek out relationships that mirror our early experiences, often misconstruing familiarity with comfort. Your childhood may have shaped inaccurate perceptions of love. This could be why you find yourself attached to unhealthy relationships, because they replicate familiar dynamics from your past, even if they are detrimental. Cybergy, those were 6 signs that you have a fear of abandonment. Everyone can develop a fear of abandonment, and it can cause turmoil in adult relationships. It's important to first recognize why you feel this way, and then seek professional help to address and overcome your fears. This video content is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice. If you or someone you know is struggling with fear of abandonment or any other mental health issue, please don't be hesitant to reach out for professional help. Thank you for watching and see you in the next topics. Bye bye.